Hey everybody, it's the Soap Man, and after a month-long hiatus, it's time to make some soap. So what I'm going to do today is something I've wanted to do for a long time and make a camouflage soap. At least attempt to, and I've watched a lot of you do it, and that's the reason I post on YouTube, is to return what I've learned, and then I've met so many nice people like all of you. So what I'm hoping to do today is get my soap into 5 containers. I'm going to have 5 colors: white, black, brown, and 2 shades of green. And I'm doing an all-natural soap. The green is probably the closest to a synthetic, but to the best of my knowledge, it is all natural. It's green chrome oxide. To the best of my knowledge, that is an all-natural colorant. I'm going to have 2 shades of that. I'm going to have that just as it is, and then lighten another up with a little titanium dioxide. Going to be scented, since I'm on the natural theme, with brambleberry. You can't see it, I don't think it's worn off, but brambleberry's lemongrass. So to the best of my knowledge, this is a 100% natural soap. If it's not, I don't sell it, I donate it. So if I'm wrong, it's okay. I'm just kind of thinking it's all natural. Let's go ahead and get started. Put my lye into my oils. Stick blend it to a light emulsification. And I want to start out really thin to get it divided, but I want like a pudding thick trace to plop it into the mold to get those plops of different colors. So we'll start out, get it lightly emulsified. Put it in my containers, color it, scent, and pour it. And what is that? Maybe 10 seconds of stick blending, possibly. That's all I'm going to start out with. I can always do more. I can't unstick blend. I'm going to take a chance. I hope I don't regret this, but brambleberry says this accelerates, but I want a thick trace. I'm going to go ahead and put my scent oil. I'll try to bleep that out. My essential oil into my soap batter. Yep, it's holding up okay. Okay, let's get this into our 5 containers. And close is absolutely good enough. Even though that's not even close, because look at the last one here. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned out best I can. And then I will try to make the rest of this a little closer to even. Now that's a little better. And I can tell I'm going to have to stir on this some, because we're definitely thickening, which is okay, as long as we don't seize up. Let's get our colors in. So, I have black, which is my activated charcoal. I'm going to have cocoa powder. Hello?
Yeah.
I can't right now.
Mom's locked out and she can't get the door open.
Hold on a minute. And I'm going to have to pause for just a moment. Sorry. Alright, sorry about that. We're going to try this again. And I've already messed up because I've gotten distracted. I should not have done the black first by any means. Should have done the white first. Boy, that oil is thickening. Which is alright. Because I'm at the consistency I want. So let's go ahead and start plotting. This is not going to be the most exciting part. I'll kind of get it started so you can see what I'm doing. And then I will try to speed this up because this is going to take a while. So I'm just kind of doing a plop of each color randomly. Okay, so overall, I like the colors. I think I'm going to like the way it looks inside. We'll see tomorrow. All of those extra colors will get put into some extra molds and be used eventually in hot process. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching now. Bye. Okay, so we're back to cut our camouflage soap. And from what I can tell, I think it turned out pretty daggone well. Looking at the sides anyway, of course they're slick, shiny like glass, so we got a super hot gel, extended gel. And let's just cut into it and see. And this lemongrass just smells amazing. And lemongrass is known for holding its scent in cold process. Now cutting into it, that's what I was a little afraid might happen because I kept smacking it down. So instead of having kind of like the round dots that we have on the side, we've got layers, more typical of a spoon plot type, but I was afraid that might happen. But we'll just see as we get into it. Well, that looks more like it as we're getting on the inside. That's more like what I was hoping for. And there we have it. So overall, yeah, pretty happy with this. I had some issues making the video because I had some interruptions and had to stop. Then I said a dirty word I had to bleep out. But overall, I'm really pleased with these. So anyway, this is July 3rd. I'm off work today, as I imagine a lot of you are, because the holidays are on Saturday. So if you are, I hope you enjoy the day. Have a great weekend. It's good to be back. And I'll see you next week. Alright everybody, thanks for watching now. Bye.